Hi, welcome to Chooch. Today we're going to talk about facial recognition training. So when you log into Chooch, this is where you land. My files general detection. You want to go straight to the training tab here. And under the training tab, go to facial. And here you land in the facial recognition perceptions. And if you haven't trained any perceptions yet, this is going to be empty for you. So you want to create a perception. Let's just create a perception called artists. We'll put some famous people up there to do some tests. Here we've created the perception called artists, and we're going to add people to it. Let's add Jay-Z, someone everyone recognizes. We recommend that you put up 5 portrait images of this person. It works with less, but the more, the better. So let's add Jay-Z here. Let's add 3 of them. Should be enough. And here, boom, it's trained already. It'll recognize Jay-Z anywhere. And here's your model ID to be able to call this model for your API. Let's add another person. Let's add Adele. Let's add 3 images of Adele. And there you go. She's also trained right now, and it's the same model ID, just the person ID changes. You can add as many images as you want here, and also in the perception, you can add as many people as you want to the perception, and you can test it as well. Here, let's test it. So this was not in the data set. So there you go. It's a match of Adele. Similarity 72%. Anything above 70% is a perfect match. And here you can add as many people as you want. You can create as many perceptions as you want. The perceptions are anything from your organization to a community or any type of group of people that you want Chooch to identify. Thank you.